Hi, Simon from Shelton and Lyons Estate Agents in Worcester, and welcome to the Paddock in Lower Moor. It's a 3/4 bedroom dormer style bungalow with a stunning paddock at the rear. Off the hallway we have a lounge dining room, a cosy snug with wood burning stove, kitchen with opening through to the breakfast room, a further family bathroom and study, bedroom with a stunning ensuite, a further 2 bedrooms upstairs and a WC. Downstairs there is also a conservatory, whilst externally there is a garage and workshop, mature gardens through to the paddock and orchard. If you feel as though this might be something you'd be interested in, please give me a call on 01905 616 330 to book your viewing today.